This is the technology session. Ladies and gentlemen, remain seated as we discover what's new in automation. Technology and innovation in peanut and sesame sector. We've got 3 speakers. I would like to invite all of them up here. The International Sales Department, AKY Technology, has presented Mr. Yildiz Tarek as the designated speaker. I would like to invite Mr. Yildiz Tarek on the stage. Also inviting the sales manager for Julite Sorting Tech Company Limited, Mr. Eric Wang. Mr. Yildiz Tarek, let's have you on the stage, sir. Mr. Eric Wang, a big welcome. And finally, the International Managing Director of Hebei Taobo Machinery Company Limited, Mr. Miao. Inviting Mr. Miao onto the stage. Mr. Srivatsava Ganapathy is here on the stage as he moderates and chairs this session for us.
Thank you, Ruchika. Who would be the first to go? Accurate? Yes?
Hello, everybody. Hi. Good morning. My name is Tarek from AKY Technology. We are one of the biggest manufacturing companies in Turkey and the Middle East. So AKY Technologies, since 1972, we manufacturing all kind of equipment, processing machines for all kind of seeds, grains, pulses as well. We have 3 companies with the AKY Technology headquarters, US Sort and RT Mobiles as well. We are lead market in the world with 85 different countries exported, with total 5 factories in Mersin cities, which is in Turkey, South Turkey. We exported for all kind of worlds with to Africa, to Europe, and to Middle East. We are one of the experts manufacturing machines for the sesame seeds and the grains as well. Our mission is to produce technology system that maximize efficiency from the agriculture products as a company respectful to all living beings and the environment, and to serve the electrical vehicle sectors as well, which is a new manufacturing things. These are our factories in Mersin industrial area. This is just from 24. We are all over the world with 85 countries, 6 continents, 7,000 facilities. AKY Technology, actually, we own the innovation technology. We provided warranty conditionals. We invest on R&D studies. We have also one investments on the factories. We did a robot welding machines for don't making any mistakes on the welding gaps. These are our products. We have more than 400 machines on total. This is about AKY Technology. We have 52 years of experience. In total, 5 factories, 500 workers, and 7,000 installations worldwide. AKY Technology for the Sesame, in particular, we are in Sudan with more than 10 facilities, which is like a big capacity, more than 8 tons per hour input capacity. Also, we are in Chad for 2 tons per hour till 8 tons per hour. We have several facilities there. In Nigeria also we have 10 plus facilities from 2 tons per hour, 5 tons per hour input capacity, and 8 tons per hour as well. This is our second companies, which is US Sort, represented the AKY Technologies in the foreign markets. As a AKY Technology US Sort, we are the lead in the market. We are listening the customers, how we can do some particle things between us and the customers to make the newest technology in the market. In Egypt also, we opened one office, which is represented AKY Technology to cover the North Africa. On US Sort also, the second companies, we have also on the 5 factories with 7 years in the market. These are our foreign brands. We have a representative in Russia, in Colombia as well. On South America, we are also very strong, but we are focusing now better on the sesame and some pulses in North Africa and South Africa as well.
AKY Technology is a leader company in Turkish market in seed and dry food processing machinery industry. Administration building and assembly factory is located in the second industrial area of Mersin, Turkey. AKY Technology produces more than 350 kinds of machines and mostly assertive with Excel-sensitive screen cleaners and provides packing, sorting, cleaning, screening, calibrating solutions for global pulse and seed industry.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Tarek. Please take your seat. May I invite Mr. Eric from Julite.
Ladies and gentlemen, nice to meet you here in Istanbul to introduce you the recent update. To introduce you the Sesame Section 1, Sesame processing process. There are many factors to affecting the quality of sesame. First is different variety of sesame have different color, shell thickness, oil content, disease resistance. And second, heavy rainfall during the ripening and harvesting period can cause the sesame to mold. And thirdly, rough harvesting and threshing will damage the seed and will cause a moldy during the storage. The last one, incomplete cleaning will directly affect the purity of sesame seed, which will further affect the price of sesame seed. There are two ways to drying and threshing. Firstly is manually threshing, and secondly is machine threshing. There's a whole process of cleaning and sorting. After we harvesting and drying, there are some impurities into the sesame, like dust, leaves, stones, sticks. So we have to clean them. Firstly, we use the air cleaner to remove the dust, sticks, and large small impurities. Then we go to the destoner to remove the stones which have similar size with sesame. Thirdly, we go to the magnetic separator to remove the soil particle and other metal impurities. After that, we go to the gravity separator to remove the unsaturated seed, sticks, and other lighter impurities. Then some exporter choose the color sorter to remove the different colored seed to improve the quality. Then we go to the packing machine to pack in the finished product. Then we can load to the customer. For improve the taste and the price of sesame, we will doing the sesame hulling process. There's a two way to do sesame hulling. First is white hulling. Soak the sesame into the chemical solution to separate the kernel and skin. Then the peeling machine makes the sesame seed rub against each other to separate the skin and kernel. After that, we're using a different weight between the skin and the kernel, and two are separated using the flotation tank. Then we spine remains dry. Second is dry hulling. We use less water to moisten the sesame seed. Then the peeling machine to rub against each other to separate the skin and kernel. Then we use the air cyclone system to suck the lighter skin. There are some comparison between white hulling and dry hulling. Advantage of the white hulling is that high hulling rate, low broken rate, and makes the sesame seed bright and white color. But the disadvantage of the white hulling is very waste of water. It will generate a lot of waste water, not environmental friendly. A second disadvantage is that high power consumption when we try to dry in the water. And thirdly, loss of regional flavor. Because we use some chemical solution, so we will lose the regional flavor of sesame. Advantage of the dry hulling: no wastewater, environmental friendly, lower power consumption, and keep the original flavor of sesame. But disadvantage is lower hulling rate, higher broken rate, and will be less beautiful appearance of finished product. Second part is our Julite company profile. Julite technology sorting technology company established in 2006. And in 2008, we got the first order from overseas customer. Then the 2012, we independently developed the first process production line. And to the 2013, we moved to the new site with production factory, an area of 15,000 square meter. In next year, we environmental friendly, high capacity double gravity separator was launched to the market. In the 2022, we moved to the new factory with a total construction area with 37,000 square meter. Our companies had a lot of establishment. Companies have been recognized by the state of government level as high technology enterprise. And the Hebei province, some other standard, green factory, and so on. These are some certificate. This is our production power. Our company have several advanced research and development production equipment, including the laser cutting machine, welding robot, sandblasting spring line, and so on. This is our technological strength. Section 1, patent research and development. We received 5 national invitation patents, a design partner, and 35 utility mode patent. Second, scientific research condition. It was the automatic low Chinese practice machine. Third, our research and development personnel. Currently, we have more than 20 professional personnel for the research and development. The number is continually increasing. Last one, we have the platform support. We have supported by the multiple government platform. This is about our after-sales service. Firstly, is the quality control. Full-line processing, world-class production equipment, Shogun supply raw material. Each piece of equipment is tested before loading to prevent the defective of a product from leaving factory. Then is transportation safety. Loading and transportation are safe and worry-free. Our manufacturer will assume all transportation risk for customer. And then is installation. We will provide professional on-site service to ensure the production and processing results. The last one is service. We provide a 24-hour service, verified for purchasing. Section 3, with some show our partner and cases. Julite cleaning machine can clean various agricultural commodity, all kinds of green, like soybean plant, process plant, seed plant, and sesame plant. These are real cases from all over the world. There show some partner from the world. We have in every main market of the world, we have a sales agent which can guarantee the installation and after sales service.
一粒粟，秋收万颗子，悠悠万事，吃饭为大。从躬身耕作到现代粮仓，一碗饭，一也难。四季更替19载，河北居里特以扎根直至，让每一粒粮食回归纯粹本质。向下扎根，聆听大地的心跳。当传统人力在千万次扬簸中与效率博弈，居里特秉持科技之刃，抛开粮食产业深处痛点，将初心融入生产需求。设备原材料采用宝钢、首钢优质型材和板材，坚固耐用。业内率先引入喷砂、抛完、喷塑生产线，采用激光切割机、数控折弯机、焊接机器人等高精尖设备，实现全数控加工。产品涵盖复式比重清选机、风筛清选机、振动分级筛、去湿机、吹式比重精选机、磁力旋吐机、超低速无破碎提升机等设备，具备完善的豆类、芝麻、种子、大豆、葵花籽等清理加工生产线。设备能做到精准筛除物料杂质，提高筛选效率，降本增效，精确划分颗粒大小，高效实现物料分级。从田间到舌尖，我们以扎根直立，守护粮食安全。向上生长，我们稳扎稳打，无数次上下求索，实现一次次颠覆式创新。自2006年成立以来，居里特荣获专精特新小巨人、高新技术企业、河北省工业企业研发机构等多项荣誉证书，以及100余项技术专利，拥有3.7万平方米现代化生产基地，投资建设价值2亿元的智能化生产园区，设计、制造、交付、售后全链贯通，确保每一台设备稳定可靠，交付高效。从国内农业合作社到国际粮企，我们以生长之势服务全球市场，让创新成果惠及世界。万物新生，始于向下扎根，成于向上生长。19载风雨兼程，变的是筛选机的迭代升级，不变的是让天下良人老有所得的朴素初心。向下，我们深扎产业痛点，让科技服务于人；向上，我们破界生长，触摸粮食筛选的行业高度。河北居里特，凝心聚力奉献良机，让每一粒粮食都饱含向上的力量。
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much. May I invite the third speaker to say a few words, Mr. Miao from Hebei Taobo Machinery Company.
First of all, thanks. Let me stand here to do the presentation. Then what we are doing it is like we are doing the Sesame cleaning machine and destoner, gravity separator, and grader and auto packing machine. And mainly we are doing exactly it is the full solution for the Sesame exporters. As the different original Sesame seed, they need different solutions. That's why we can meet the different clients' the requirements so that we can do some business with them. And right now, what we can do it for our company, like we have 3 basements. One, it is the quality control. The second, it is the service The third, it is the professional and the research. Based on these three parts, we try our best to give the clients the best solution. This is our company. And thanks again. And what is our slogan? It is best seed cleaner, keep every food healthier. Thank you.
Thank you. Some questions I will take from the audience, but for now, I have a few questions, so I will ask. We'll start with Mr. Tarek. Thank you for a very good presentation. Do you have presence in Africa? And if you have, what are the specific support you offer to the African Sesame sector?
Thank you again for invite me for this kind of conference. Thank you all, actually. Yes, as AKY Technology, we are supported and we are exported a lot of processing line machines to African markets, especially for the Sesame in particular. We are doing 99% after gravity, and we are doing also 99.9 after the sorting machines. I mean, our machines is known by the market from Sudan, from Chad, from South Africa as well. So we are glad to be here, actually. Thank you.
Right. The second question is that there are so much competition in the market. How does AKY differentiate itself from the competition? Would you like to share something very unique to AKY?
Yes, thank you. It's a smart question. Thank you very much. As AKY technology teams, we are impatient for manufacturing the best and qualities equipments on the market, especially on the end output products. Also for the sales and after sales services with the spare parts in the region. So we have some representative and we have some office inside that region, like we have office in Egypt for North Africa. We have some service guys in Africa, like in Kenya and Tanzania. We supplied a lot to Ethiopia as well for normal grains and especially for the red lentils as well, because we are not just on the sesame seeds. We are on the red lentils for cleaning, processing, and dehulling as well. By the way, in our lines, we can do sesame seeds and also all kind of grains, I mean processing and cleaning in the same line, just to make some small adjustments and to change the sieves or screens inside.
That's very clear. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Eric, your presentation was very elaborate. Congratulations. I also saw Julite offers hulling lines. You've also given a good comparison between wet and dry hulling lines. In the African market, which is the most prevalent form of hulling? Let's say like, Nigeria, which is aspiring to be a hulling nation now. What is that trend which you're seeing? It is mostly hulling by wet process, or is it dry hulling?
Thanks for your question. Firstly, for about the hulling, our Julite is mainly doing the cleaning machine. We're trying to the development of hulling, because lots of customers ask us to provide the hulling solution. Hulling can improve the taste of sesame and improve the digestion of a human body. So that's why more and more people choose the cleaning plus hulling plant. So I think this is a new trend, not only for the African sesame, for the Pakistan, for the Brazil. This is a new tendency, new trend. So we are trying to fasten the research and the development of hulling plant. About the white hulling and dry hulling, I just mentioned on the presentation. They have some advantages and disadvantages. So we can provide the solution and option for the customer from all of the world. Yes, thank you.
Have you installed any hulling factories in Africa?
No, just aside we are currently we're doing the cleaning first.
Okay.
Yes, for the hulling, we will continue to the research on this machine.
Okay.
Yeah, just make a presentation. Yeah. for this.
Excellent. Okay. You talked about cleaning. Is sorting also a part of your solution? So, do you provide sorting solutions also?
Yes, of course. We provide sorting solution because cleaning, sorting, and packing it should be one complete solution. Sorting is to remove the different color the seed. So sorting should be provided in the solution.
Okay.
Yes.
Is salmonella detection a part of the solution on sorting? Like, because it's again on the surface there is a greenish color and other things. Do you offer any, because when we talked in the previous session, there were 3 challenges. Aflatoxin is a challenge, pesticide is a challenge, and salmonella is also a challenge. Like, so do you have any technology solution for color related on the surface, like, any sorting technologies for that?
You mean for the different color?
Yeah.
Different colors for the sesame, for the color sorter machine,
Yes.
and the X-ray machine. Yes, for this we use the color sorter.
Okay.
Yes, we provide a color sorter. Yes.
You also provide X-ray machines?
Yes, we provide should be solution as a complete. Yes.
Okay. And what is your capacity? Like, on the pre-cleaning side, what is the range of your capacity? Like, we heard from AKY, they do from 2 tons to 10 tons per hour. Like, what is your capacity offering? Do you offer the small size plants also, or it's only large scale?
Yes, of course. For the range, we provide like 2 to 3 tons per hour, and 4 to 5 tons per hour. And our new technology machine, maybe is 7 tons per hour. Okay. This is our range for the capacity sesame.
Excellent. Yeah. Mr. Miao, to you, can you please hand over? Yeah. You made a very good point. Like, each origin is different, and therefore the solutions have to be different. In Africa, what is your presence? Where are you present now? And can you talk about unique challenges which you have faced in each of the origins?
Yes, thanks for your questions. For different countries, like the sesame seed, like the impurities are different. Like for the Nigeria, like the sesame seed, the stones are a little bit more than other countries. That's why for Nigeria country, we would like to put more destoner in the processing plant. Like for example, for Tanzania, like 1 destoner it will be enough. No need to make 2 destoner. That's the difference.
Thank you. There is one question currently from the audience. That is to AKY, Mr. Tarek. What is the best purity can AKY machines achieve for sesame, according to your latest technology?
Yes, thank you for that questions. Actually, the best purity can AKY machines achieve for the sesame particularly after the gravity machine is 99% without color sorter. After the color sorter, we can arrange 99.8, 99.9% for the purity. As our processing line, we are starting with a pre-cleaner, fine cleaner, destoner, gravity, then after that, directly to the bagging. If there's any options for the color sorter, we can add the color sorter. So it's like different price of the sesame, because now we have 2 price of the sesame. One, it's 99%.
This
and
is 99 is without color sorter, you mean?
Without color sorter,
okay.
Yes.
And that improves to 99.8
till 9.
With color sorter?
With color sorter, yes.
Okay, that's... Mr. Eric, would you like to give similar numbers? Like, what is the best purity with your technology one can expect with the color sorter and without the color sorter?
For sesame,
Yeah.
our pre-cleaner, destoner, graph separator, without color sorter can be the 99%.
Okay.
If we add the color sorter, maybe the 99.9.
Okay.
It depends on the customer requirement. Some customer require the high. We can add the machine to add the purity. Maybe 2 color sorter, 3 gravity separator, 2 destoner, 2 pre-cleaner. We can achieve the higher purity, like 99.9, like this.
6. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Mayo, would you like to answer this question in terms of purity that your machine can deliver?
Yes, like for the purity, like one simple cleaner, they can get 97, almost the 97, but in the market, we are talking about 99, 98 something. If the sesame seed, like if the sesame seed pass the more machines, it will get more higher purity. This is definitely. So right now, that's why you see some factory they are using only one simple cleaner and a small disdonor. And another factory, they are using the full plant, like maybe 20 machines in this processing plant. That's why more machines give more purity. This is my answer. And our machine, we can do like 99.9% purity, the full cleaning plant, including the pre-cleaner, cleaner, disdonor, grader, gravity separator, and color sorter and auto packing machine, full plant.
That's right. One last round of question to each one of you. In terms of, can you give a sense of how much electricity is needed for a full-fledged plant? I'll start with AKY. You start with pre-cleaning, destoning for the entire line without the color sorter. Let's say a 10 ton per hour plant.
Oh.
Typical electricity consumption. What is the load? What is that like?
Okay, that's a good question actually also. We have three options. We have the 2 tons per hour. We can consume like 90 kilowatts. For the 4-5 tons per hour, we can take like 150 to 160 kilowatts. For the 8 ton per hour input capacity, which is a huge line, we can take it with 190 till 200 kilowatts. And by the way, in the 8 ton per hour, we are using a full automatic PLC line. So in that case, we need like just 2 or 3 operator person to using the line. So no need a lot of workers, no need a lot of controls. We have one full PLC line and that's it.
A fully automatic 8 ton per hour is about 200 kilowatt.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you give some numbers on the electricity?
Thanks for the question.
I'm asking specifically the electricity because in African context it's a significant cost. Therefore, it will be useful.
As I mentioned, Julite provides a different option to the customer. For some African country and some Pakistan, very short of energy. So we can provide like a single machine, just like 12 kilowatt. And if it's 3 machine combined, we can about 30 kilowatt. If customer requests a higher purity and capacity, the total line.
Let's say 8 to 10 tons per hour capacity, full line, 8
to 10 tons. That's like
without the color sorter.
Without color sorter, like 120 kilowatt.
Yes. 120 kilowatt.
Yes.
For our machine, like 10 tons per hour, as you mentioned. You're asking like the 1 hour consumption or 1 day consumption. It's 1 hour, I think.
Usually, in kilowatt, if you can, share in terms of connected.
Yeah. So for 1 hour, is around 80 kilowatts to 90 kilowatts, including that's the correct system. I mean the full system.
Right. I have. Yes, I have. Do you have any machinery for tahini? Would you like to take that question?
For tahini processing, actually we are on a R&D stage still. So once it will be, we will announce about it.
Right now, you are in the R&D stage. That's good. Yes. Do you have any offering for tahini? Both are in R&D, anything on the preventive maintenance? This is the last question, do you use any preventive maintenance tools, techniques using AI or anything, so as to guide the customer?
I mean, yes, absolutely. We have some technologies and AI programs so they can guide the customers while operation situations. As I told, we have the PLC stages, PLC controls panels, so a full automatic line. And also another point, we can control the line from our factories, from the main headquarters. So if
remote control.
Yes.
You can monitor and control.
We can monitor and control for any errors or any mistakes inside that. We can controlling directly from our main headquarters. if anything we cannot controlling from the online, we can directly send some service guys to the plant.
Thank you. Eric,
Yes, for the you just question
China is on the forefront of AI, like, so do you,
yeah, yes.
have you started using AI, especially in preventive maintenance, like,
Yes, of course. Just as I mentioned, we provide different options. Some customer requires AI as a smart, so we can provide a smart automatic solution, like PLC panel. We can control the whole line on the panel, even on the phone. We control. Yeah, this is what we provide. Yeah, for customer.
So these are all part of the solutions which you can provide if there is a demand from the customer.
Yes, it's a part of solution. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yes. Thank you.
So right now, we are thinking in our future we can do like this, like one key turn on, one key turn off, and the system it can check the problem by its own.
Okay.
This is our future, our vision. We want
How,
to do
how,
like this
how
system.
close you are towards that, or how long you expect, like, by next WSPC, would you be ready with the solution, or it will take a little more time?
Yeah, we are on the way. Thank you.
That's a very optimistic note to close. Thank you so much, all the three speakers, Mr. Tarek from
Thank you very
AKY, Mr. Eric
Thank you.
from Julite, and Mr. Miao from Hebei, Taobo. Thank you.